Good morning, students. Welcome to our computer class, lesson 1, part 3. Before starting our next topic, let's discuss about the previous class, what we had learned under modern age. Yes, we had learned about the Hermann Hollerith. He had developed a machine called tabulating machine. It had the capability of recording data and do calculation. Yes, my dear students, he had the capability of recording data and do calculation. The fourth point, the first digital electronic computer, that is ABC. It was the first computer to use vacuum tubes instead of mechanical switches. It was built by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford E. Berry. Like a modern computer, it was the binary number system. Yes, my dear students, it is used for the binary number system. The fifth point, Z3 Mark I. In the year 1942, a mechanical computer was developed by Howard in order to control a circuit by one signal. The sixth point, ENIAC and UNIVAC. By the name itself, you can understand it is an acronym developed in the year 1945. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. By John Marching and J. Phosphorus Eckert. It is used for the purpose of digital computer. Yes, my dear students, it is used for the purpose of digital computer. And UNIVAC was the first commercial electronic computer used for the commercial purpose such as height, weight, time, etc. I hope you have understood all the topic covered under modern age. Now we will discuss about previous class homework. Those who have completed, check it. What was the question I had given you to write? Yes, my dear students, what I had given you questions? The questions are to write invention name along with the inventor's name and in which year they had invented. So the first question is tabulating machine. Who had invented? Hermann Hollerith in the year 1880. Second, Z3 Mark I. It was invented by Howard in the year 1942. Third, ENIAC. It was invented by John Marching in the year 1945. Then the fourth one, UNIVAC. It was invented by J. Phosphorus Eckert in the year 1951. So now we will see the next topic, that is generation of computers. Generation refers to the state of improvement in the product development process. It means that in each generation the advancement and new computers technology. It can be categorized by major technology development such as it was smaller, cheaper, more powerful, more efficient as well as reliable devices. Now dear students, one by one we will study about the generation of computer. So the first point is first generation. It was developed in 1942 to 1955. You can see the picture. In the first generation, the first computer was made to use vacuum tubes for circuit and magnetic drums for memory. These were very big in size. They were very expensive to operate, and it is a great deal of electricity. It was generated a lot of heat, due to which caused malfunctioning. Yes, my dear students, in that computer lot of heat was generated, by which it caused malfunctioning. Malfunctioning means fail to function properly. In the first generation computer, machine language was used to perform operations, and they could only solve only one problem at a time. So it was about the first generation computer. Now we will see about the second generation computer. Second generation computer was developed in the year 1955 to 1965. In this generation, transistor replaced vacuum tubes. Yes, my dear students, in this generation, transistor replaced vacuum tubes. Transistors were far superior to the vacuum tubes, allowing computers to become smaller in size, faster, cheaper, more efficient, and reliable as compared to the first generation. It was about the second generation computer. Now we will see about the third generation computer. In the third generation computer, it was developed in 1965 to 1971. Here, in this generation, the development of the IC, that is integrated circuit, was the hallmark of third generation computer. Transistors were minimized and placed on silicon chips called semiconductors, which have increased the speed and efficiency of computers. Next is fourth generation computer. In this fourth generation computer was developed in 1971 to present age. Microprocessor was developed in this generation, and thousands of integrated circuits were rebuilt onto a single silicon chip. They were small in size. Nowadays, microprocessors are used in automatic testing products and speed control of motors, as well as in traffic light control, etc. And now is the fifth generation computer. In the fifth generation computer is present and upcoming generation computer. In this generation, they are based on the artificial intelligence and are still in development. Artificial intelligence means it is the branch of computer science that helps in the development of intelligence machine, thinking and writing like a humans. For example, voice recognition, learning and planning, etc. The two main areas of artificial intelligence are: the first is expert system and second is robotics. Under expert systems, it enables them to make decisions in real life situations, and in robotics to see and hear and to react to other sensory stimuli. Now you can see the picture, how it looked like. In May 1997, an IBM supercomputer known as Deep Blue defeated world chess champion by Garry Kasparov in a chess match. Here the chapter is over. Now it's time for homework. All of you take out page number 14. Page number 14, exercises. The question number 1. Take the correct option. Here you can see 7 questions are given here. All of you go through the lesson properly and write the correct answer. And take out page number 15. Here you can see the question number 2. Identify the picture and label them correctly. Identify the pictures and label them correctly. Here you have to write invention's name. Thank you.